Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I built a serializer app that shows how the for loop works. So, let's use this serializer app to walk through it together. Okay, so first let's take a look at how the sample code works when we run it. Go ahead and enter a sentence in the enter text field. This time, I'll explain it using the strings that are already displayed. Of course, you can input any string you like. After you finish typing in the string, go ahead and click the loop start button. The loop iterations show the number counted by the for loop. After that, you'll see in the iteration output field how many times the for loop went through your input. Finally, the for syntax field shows the Python for loop syntax. Let's take a look at the parameters for this condition. The start value is 0. The stop value is 10. The step value is 1. So, this loop goes from 0 to 10 in steps of 1. And this CNT variable is the loop's counter variable. It increases by 1 every time the loop runs, doesn't it? Alright, let's try a different setup this time. The start value is 25. The stop value is -1. And the step value is -1. So, what happens here? That's right, the loop runs backwards. This loop goes from 25 down to 0, stepping by -1 each time. And just like before, this CNT variable is the loop's counter variable. But this time, instead of increasing, it decreases by 1 every time the loop runs. You can see the loop iterations counting down from 25 to 0. And the iteration output shows the letters in reverse order, pretty neat, right? Finally, take a look at the for syntax field. It shows for CNT in range 25 -1 -1. That's the Python way to write the loop that counts backwards. This application can get the source code directly from GitHub. Feel free to download it and try things out. Later on, I'll upload a video explaining how this code is processed. If you'd like to see a more detailed explanation about Tkinter, please let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you soon. Bye bye.